Chapter 6, Cell Division. Okay, in this chapter, there are 4 subtopics that you need to learn, okay, from 6.1 to 6.4. So let's look at the first one, 6.1, Cell Division. Okay, 2 types of cell division that you need to know. Number 1 is mitosis, and number 2 is meiosis. So there are 2 stages of cell division. First, it involves the division of the nucleus, and that is called karyokinesis. So karyo is referring to nucleus, and kinesis is referring to movement. So in other words, we say that the nucleus moves apart, it separates into, it divides. Okay, so cytokinesis involves division of cytoplasm. The cytoplasm divides. So organisms' body cells are divided into somatic cells and reproductive cells, or also known as gametes. So 2 types of cell. So let's look at the comparison. Somatic cells refers to all body cells apart from gametes. Apart from reproductive cells, we call the cell as somatic cell. So somatic cells are produced through mitosis process, whereas gametes are produced through meiosis process. Somatic cell contains a diploid number of chromosomes. So that means each of the somatic cell contains 2 sets of chromosomes, or 2N. Okay, one somatic cell contains 2N. So that means this is full set. So like in human beings, the human somatic cells is equivalent to 46. 46 is full set of chromosome in one of our somatic cell. But in gamete, it contains a haploid number of chromosomes. So that means our gamete, okay, do you still remember gametes? The female gamete is known as the ovum, and the male gamete is known as the sperm. So each ovum or each sperm contains 1 set of chromosomes, or N. So in human gametes, our N is 23. So meaning this is half the full set that I mentioned just now. Okay, somatic cell full set is this. It's this figure 46. But in our gamete, okay, the number of chromosome is half the full set, which is only 23. Okay, so in diploid cells, 1 set of chromosomes comes from our father, the male parent. So we call it as the paternal chromosomes. Whereas another set is from the female parent or mother, and we call it as maternal chromosome. So both paternal and maternal chromosomes have the same structural characteristics. Okay, and this pair of chromosomes, we call it as the homologous chromosomes. Okay, another term that you need to know is chromatin. So notice here just now, this is the new term, diploid, haploid, homologous chromosomes, and also chromatin. Okay, chromatin, you have seen this term when you were learning chapter 2, right? You still remember that? Chromatin is a chromosome that looks like a long thread. So haploid and diploid chromosomes. Haploid, N, a copy of each chromosome. So this picture shows 3 chromosomes without the pairs. Okay, without the pairs. But when it is 2N, this picture shows 3 pairs instead of 3 chromosomes just now. 3 pairs, and we use the term homologous chromosomes. Homologous chromosomes, just now we say paternal and maternal having the same structural characteristics. So as you can see here, blue representing paternal chromosome, red representing maternal chromosome, their structure are the same. You see their length are the same. So this is what we call having the same structural characteristics. So 3 pairs of homologous chromosomes shown over here. Okay, so we stopped here.